see it
All
now?
right,
Can you see it?
friends. Your teacher is going to want to see what you're working on. And one of the easiest ways for you to do that is hold it up to the screen. But let's go through this. Beth, show us how to hold your block up to the screen in a way that doesn't make anybody seasick, in a way the teacher can see it. All right, so notice she's holding it up by her face. She's holding it with good light on it, and she's holding it really still for a long time. That really helps.
So I'm holding a piece of fabric, but since I have my virtual background turned on, it's coming in and out of the camera. So I need to be really careful to either turn off my virtual background when I'm trying to demonstrate or hold something up for the instructor, or hold it right in front of my body so that I have a background for what I am trying to show.
Of course, some of us have design walls or something hanging behind us that we can put our blocks on and we can show the teacher. But if you don't have a design wall, you can just take a piece of white board, cardboard, something like this. Notice I was holding it too close, backing up, and just put a piece of batting over it and hold up your block like that. It's just a 14-inch size piece of fiberboard with a piece of plain batting on it. And now the teacher can see what I want to show her or him.
So when we are teaching, we love to see your work and we love to show your work to everybody. So as a teacher, we will spotlight you so that everybody can see your gorgeous work that you did in class. After we're done spotlighting, there's a little button right here at the top of your screen, and it says view. If you click on that, you manually have to go back to gallery view. Otherwise, it just stays in speaker view.
What I love about Zoom is no cancellations due to weather.